Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, collectives. Oo, so, I don't know, bakit feeling excited ako? Na, di ba? Feeling excited. I don't know. So, collectives, general and love reading. Okay? For the month of September. Okay, Burr months na. Papasok na ang Burr months, no? So, kayo ba? Nagpe-prepare na ba kayo? Oo. Kapag Burr months na. Oo, 'di ba? Kanya-kanya rin. So, okay, pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, syempre po kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so again, ating i-flex isa-isa, syempre, as always, diba? So, unahin natin yung ating mga pang-protection. From the evil eye, na hindi natin alam kung sino ba ang nagbubumato sa atin, no? So, mas maganda nang tayo ay protektado. Sa frequency and energies. Okay, so again, meron tayong 4 samples here ng ating mga evil eye protection. Meron tayo 2 bracelet. Okay, isang adjustable, isang garterize. Yung adjustable po, ito po yung parang napapa-customize kasi pwedeng pagawa ninyong red string and palagyan po ninyo ng initial. Okay, initial nyo, mga ganyang bagay. Pero kung ayaw nyo, pwede naman, just say so. Okay, so yan po yung ating ang tawag dyan, adjustable. So, ito naman, yung ating garterize. Okay, so si garterize, ganyan yung kanyang pendant. Okay, so yan. Diba? Ganyan pendant ng ating garterize na evil eye bracelet. Protection. And yung atin pong sing-sing, yung ating ring, this is adjustable. Okay po, adjustable po, no? So, no need to send your sizes. Okay, and syempre, yung ating evil eye necklace. Ang ganda nito. Oo. So, eto, yeah, this is unisex. Simple lang siya. Simple lang. Meron siyang blue stone doon sa center. No? Okay, pero hindi siya makita sa ating camera. Anyway, so kapag na-purchase nyo na, makikita nyo rin naman yan sa personal, no? So, yung ating big 3, unahin natin si Granter. So, si Granter, siya po yung nag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Siya yung nag-grant nun. So, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and ito po ay made to order. Okay? Oh no, ang nangyari sa kanya. So, anyway. So, again, siya po yung, oh my gosh, siya po yung nag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest and nagbibigay po siya ng weekly surprises. Okay? Small man, big man, yan. Okay? Hindi kayo pawawalan ni Granter every week aside po sa mga minamanifest ninyo. Okay? So, atin nga buhayin ito. Yan. Okay? So, ganyan po si Granter front and the back. Okay? So, there. And again, yung ating 2-in-1. Our 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Masyado ako naliliwanagan. Diba? So, ganyan siya pag nakasuot. Okay. So, ganyan po This is so nice in person. Kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Ano po bang meron dyan? Okay. So, dati, ito ay for love lang. Ngayon po, in-improve na natin. No? Nilagyan na natin siya para sa money. our citrine stone. Okay, na nakalagay na dito. Okay, so meron siyang mga citrine stone dyan, nag-a-act as money magnet. So madalas ginagamit po sa pamemera. Okay, so more sales, more money, more income, mga ganyang bagay-bagay ba. No, madalas ginagamit po ng mga business owner o yung citrine. Okay, makikita nyo may mga kulay madilaw-dilaw na mga stone pagdating sa kanilang mga ala-alahas. Yan, mga ganyan po, ha? So, yan po ha, ang ating 2-in-1 Love and Money Bracelet. And syempre, okay, ang ating cord cutting. Si cord cut, ginagamit po natin yan pang tanggal alat. Pangtanggal MALAS. Okay? So, kapag may natanggal na siyang ganun, magsisilbi naman siyang harang, no? Sa mga pwede pa na pumasok or sabihin nating maiwasan na rin para maiwasan na kayo ay alatin or what. Okay? So, yun po. No, and again, yung ating for cleansing. Ang ating cleansing kit is available. Okay, kasi hindi ko na ginawang limited kasi napaka-important niya pagdating po sa cleansing at pagpapabay nating recharge ng ating mga charms and crystal. No, kasi may nagtatanong ganto ganyan, yung hirap naman maghihintay tayo ng full moon, no? So nag-provide na ako ng energy, sabihin nating cleansing kit for our charms, no? So, kung sa tingin niyo kailangan yung i-recharge, ang laman po kasi ng ating cleansing kit is white sage and selenite crystal. Yung selenite crystal po, yun yung parang charger ng ating mga charms, okay? And, kung meron man kayong ibang crystal, no, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung ating selenite para may recharge sila. Okay? Wala pong bawal. And syempre, yung ating white sage, siya po yung pang-cleanse. Okay? Meaning to say, pang-alis ng energy na negative kung meron man. So, sabihin natin, mas maganda po na pinagsasabay. Okay? Ang paggamit kay selenite crystal and white sage. Okay? Kung nagre-recharge man kayo, sabayan nyo na ng cleanse. Sabayan nyo na ng pagpapaalis ng energy na hindi tama doon sa charm. Okay? Okay, so yun lamang. Kung may tanong po, no, message lang po muli sa ating legit FB page ng Fiesta. Nakita nyo, nag-post ako kagabi. Oo, meron na namang bago, no? 'Di ba? May bago. May bago na naman. Tapos mayroon pang mga nakapag-accept sa kanya. Oh my gosh. So, tayo tumungo na. Hayaan na lang natin sila. Alam nyo naman kung ano ang legit at hindi. Siguro. So, in general, for our collectives, again, ano bang requirement para matawag kitang collectives, okay, ng Fiesta Tarot? Dapat ikaw ay naka-follow or naka-subs. Okay? So, yun lang. Napakasimple. Para makuha natin yung energy mo dito. Okay? Kasi hindi pwedeng napadaan ka lang. Mababasa ba kita? No. Kasi bago ka lang or sabihin natin, ano bang meron? Nandiyan ka lang. Okay? So, let's see. Tingnan natin. Ano bang meron? Pasensya na po ha sa ingay. Sa paligid-ligid. Hindi nila alam na ako yung naggagawa. Anong meron? Okay, so may nagbato. Ito. In the month of September, the Queen of Swords in the reversed. Okay, the Queen of Swords in the reverse. What's with that? Okay. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. I'm hearing harsh talking. Okay, harsh. I don't know. So, anong meron dito? Some of you avoid ninyo ng rush decision making when it comes to legalizations. I don't know kung anong meron. Or maybe pirmahan na mangyayari. Pwedeng may mga pirmahang mangyayari. And ang kinakailangan dito is basahin yung maigi kung anong mga pipirmahan. That is specific. Okay? So, Queen of Cups. Yeah. Andun yung energy na parang excited kayo whatsoever. Oh, maybe. Yun yung isang dahilan bakit ganun yung energy ko kanina. Parang, yes! Yes! Oo, parang ganun yung energy. Parang excited. Kasi may ganito, may ganyan. Be careful po, ha? Okay? Yeah, dala ng damdamin, bugso ng damdamin, sa kasiyahan. No, may mga ganyan. Out of your, don't make any kind of decision out of your emotions po. Okay? This September. Yeah, kung kayo ay malungkot, or masaya, or galit, or kung ano man, at kayo ay gagawa ng isang aksyon o desisyon, iwasan nyo po muna. Okay? Kayo ay magpakalma muna ng kauntian bago kayo gumawa, no? Okay? So, doon kayo makakapag-isip ng tama kasi. So, what else? What else? Some of you, pagdating sa pamemera, meron ditong somebody na pwedeng I don't like their intention. Okay? Pwedeng ang habol nila or ang intention nila is to get money from you. Okay? So, alam kasi nila na you're kind. Okay? Or maybe talagang available for them whatsoever. Okay. The Hierophant in reverse. Okay, the Hierophant in reverse. What's that? What's with that Hierophant in reverse? The Emperor. May nakukuha ko dito, may magre-resign. May magpapalit ng boss or employer this September. May magre-resign, ibang company na ang papasukan. Okay? Some of you, this is so specific. There's this something, an energy pagdating sa boss mo, na pwedeng may something lang na pwedeng mangyari if ever. Pero ayaw natin nun. Okay? Kasi magkokos ito ng parang pag-alis niya. Okay? This is so, yeah. Ayaw natin ng gantong energy. Pero, yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. The Two of Swords. See? The Five of Wands. The Nine of Pentacles. I don't know, pwedeng, ayun nga, mapupunta lang sa emergency. Parang ganyan. And I think, makarecover ang nakikita ko dito. Okay? This is talking about your boss. This is a boss. This is a boss. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, makaka-recover naman actually. Pero yun nga, andyan yung absence, no, ng person. Andyan yung parang mawawala muna siya sa scenario. Mawawala muna siya sa paligid-ligid ninyo dahil syempre, that's specific po. Yeah, that's specific. Take down notes. If you're a boss, just be careful. Okay? Just be careful. I'm hearing somebody retiring. Pwede sa September magre-retire. Or resign. Okay? So what else? The Five of Swords in the reverse. And Temperance. May matatapos na ditong waiting game. Kung ano man yung waiting game na meron kayo, matatapos na. Okay? The Three of Swords is here and the Ace of Swords. Some of you, ang hinihintay ninyo is something about clarity, answer, closure, whatsoever. A message could be. Okay? Pero, yeah, this September, may chance na parang babalik na muli sa, sabihin nating balance, no? Yung inyong mga sitwasyon. Okay, yeah, the High Priestess. This is answer. Okay, this is clarity. So, kung ano man yun, this is general. Kanya-kanya po yun, iba't iba. Okay? Getting balance. Again, maybe. Yeah. The Six of Cups universe. Ito yung mga energy na parang sabihin nating nag-cause ng trauma sa'yo, mga ganyang bagay, nag-cause ng blockages. Okay? In general. Yeah. So, it's like makakausad ka ng mas tama, mas maganda, mas sabihin nating smooth. Oo. Ngayong September. Yeah, the King of Cups. So, magiging mabait sa'yo si Universe this September. Don't worry. Okay, ma-appreciate maybe ni Universe kung ano man yung mga ginawa mo before. Lalo na kung ikaw itong naging, sabihin natin hindi ka talaga gumante. Yeah. Kung hindi ka gumante sa mga taong kaganti-ganti. Okay? Meron kayong something, a present from Universe this coming September. Okay? So, there. Nice one. So, next. Let's see. Oops. The person, or siguro, in general, love. So, the person on your mind. Okay, let's see ano bang meron this September. Okay, for our collectives. No zodiac sign needed. Okay po. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow. So, is this collectives? Para malaman natin kung anong meron this September. Okay, the Six of Pentacles. Could be of an earth sign. You have here fire. This person, I'm hearing this person may pagluhod ng ginagawa. Okay? Oo. It's like nandun yung pagmamakaawa. I don't know kung nagmakaawa ka dito. Nagmakaawa ka ba dito? Bulong sa akin, nagmakaawa ka daw dito, collectives. At damang-daman niya yung kanyang, sabihin nating, worth. Yes. Dahil nagmakaawa ka. Let's see. Anong meron? Nagbeg ka sa taong to, collectives. Nagbeg ka sa kanya. We don't do that. Okay? We don't do that. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa taong to ngayon? Okay, anong kailangan malaman? Anong meron this September pagdating dyan sa taong talaga namang nagbeg ka? The Five of Wands inversed. And the Ace of Wands inversed. The Ten of Pentacles. Death. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm hearing a comeback. Pero there is no energy of long term. This is just an energy of like a short term. Okay, some of you may chance ng makeup sex this September from this person na talagang nagbeg ka. Okay? You can't see commitments from them. You won't see commitments. They won't give you anything na parang kailangan mo dito sa connection. It's just SAX. No label. Days of Wands inversed. So, may chance ng pagbalik nitong taong ito. So, anong kailangan mong i-expect? Ang number 1 na hindi mo kailangang i-expect dito is about the commitments, about the sincerity of the person. Wala pong ganun. Okay? So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Expect, the Two of Wands. Ikaw na naman ito na parang, bakit ako nandito na naman sa sitwasyon na to? Okay? So, ganon. What you need to expect? The Two of Wands. Bakit ako nandito na naman? Tatanungin mo naman ang sarili mo, bakit ako pumayag ng ganito na naman? Bakit nandito na naman ako? Bakit kumuha na naman ako ng batong ipupukpok ko na naman sa ulo ko? One more time. Ha? Well, the judgment is an energy of a cycle. So, be careful. Okay? So, gawin yung gabay ito. The Ten of Cups universe. So, there's no genuine love, walang genuine happiness dito. Parang bumalik ka lang doon sa kung anong mang dilubyo ang inalisan mo or sabihin nating nalayuan mo before. Okay? So, gawin yung gabay po. Okay? So, what else? Pagdating sa love ng ating mga collectives. So, tingnan natin. I'm hearing singles. So, what's for our singles this coming September when it comes to love? Ano bang meron? Meron ba? For our single collectives. So, singles. Okay, anong kailangan mong malaman, singles? May darating ba ngayong September for you? Meron bang darating para sa mga single collectives this September? Oh my gosh. Same energy, could be a past person. Same energy. If this is a new person, same energy as your past person. Death in reversed. Okay? Could be a Scorpio. Hi. Okay. Death in reversed. Yeah, strength in reversed. Okay, so kung gusto niyo ng playtime, go. This is just playtime. Okay, hindi mo kailangan na talagang maging open dito. Okay? So, gabay-gabay ulit. Okay. So, we have here the Ace of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Hindi mo kailangan talagang totally mag-give in agad sa sitwasyon or sa connection na to. Okay? So, ano bang meron doon sa person? Aside sa parang ang energy niya is katulad ng energy ni past. Ano pang meron sa kanya? For our single collectives. Okay. The Page of Wands. Could be younger. I'm hearing this person is an adventurous. Okay, adventurous. Flirt. Clingy. What's with this Page of Wands? The Two of Pentacles in the reversed. 1 minute nandiyan, 1 minute wala. So, nagpa-fluctuate yung energy ng person. Yeah, 1 minute nandiyan, 1 minute wala. Pwedeng makakausap mo, tapos kinabukasan hindi gaano, tapos maya-maya wala na ulit. Okay? Monday nakakausap, Tuesday medyo okay pa. Wednesday siguro umaga na lang. Thursday hapon na. Hapon mo na lang nakakausap. Friday siguro mga 5 hours bago mag-reply. Ano yan? Isang linggong pag-ibig. Ha? Mga singles, di ba? Ganon yung energy ng tao. So, oh my God, mapapakanta ka ng isang linggong pag-ibig dito, collectives. Oo, siyang tunay. O, diba? The Seven of Swords, oh my golly. The person is, sabihin natin, hindi kasi siya transparent. Some of them, may chance na merong mga tinatago, mga ganyang bagay. Some of them, they have options. The Two of Swords. See? They have this Five of Swords. The Five of Swords is energy po yun ng mixed signals, whatsoever BS, no, na pwede niyang ibigay sa'yo. Bakit po ganun? Hindi siya ganito sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung siya ba ito totoo, whatsoever. See, their eyes. Their eyes nakafocus doon sa Two of Swords. Meaning to say, there's something. The Two of Swords is option. The Two of Swords is energy of avoidance, mga ganyang bagay. They're not totally clear. They're not totally transparent. They have something, okay, in their back, in their pocket, na hindi nila ipapakita sa'yo. Because why? I don't know. Diba? So, you don't need or you don't have to trust the person agad. Okay? Okay, so what do you need to surrender, collectives? Anong kailangan mong surrender? I don't know why. Bakit ganun yung question? Anong kailangan mong surrender dito? Okay, see the Two of Swords. Ayun yun. You don't need to settle. Okay? You don't need to settle, like, don't settle for less. You don't need to settle sa mga ganitong connection na parang gagawin kang parang isip ka ng isip. Mga ganyang bagay. Hindi mo kailangan yun. Hindi mo rin kailangan na maging option or maramdamang option ka. Hindi mo rin kailangan na maramdaman na parang may tinatago sa'yo. Or what? Kaya nga connection, kaya nga relationship. Okay? Sabihin nating kapag nasa isang relasyon, dapat may peace of mind. Dapat may trust, no? Dapat sabihin nating pareho kayo ng there's this mutual feelings, understandings, mga ganyan. You don't need, hindi tayo na pasok sa isang relasyon na para makipaglaro, para manghula. Okay? Kung kayo ay isang manghuhula, hulaan nyo. No? Hindi naman siguro lahat tayo. Di po ba? So, kung kayo nakakaramdam ng something na odd, kakaiba, sa connection, then there's something wrong. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan mag-settle sa ganito. Yes. See? The King of Swords. Hindi mo kailangan pagsinungalingan. You don't need to settle. Okay, dito sa connection na to. So, again, kung gusto mo lang naman, see, diba, energy to ng past. Could be a past person, itong manunumbalik sa inyo ng mga singles, or kung hindi man past person, could be same frequency or energy ng past person mo. Ito yun. Some of you are still attached kasi sa frequency from the past. From the energy ng past. That is why. Okay, so again, siguro kailangan mo mag-heal, mga ganyang bagay. Yan na naman tayo sa healing process na yan. Pero, kailangan natin yun para hindi na tayo parang paulit-ulit na lang sa kung anong energy meron tayo pagdating sa love. No? So, ano pa ba? So, yun nga, again, kung ikaw ay ready na makipaglaro lang sa connection na to, then go. Okay? Kung gusto mo lang, bored ka lang sa buhay mo, gusto mo lang may kakonek, gusto mo lang may katsok-tsakan, whatsoever, go. Pero, kung ikaw itong naghahanap ng sabihin nating sincere, okay, solid, na connection, hindi ito yon. Okay? So, yon ang aking nakikita. Okay. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs. Okay, all signs. So, the person you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see their energy, their current energy. their current energy. Okay. So Aries, oh, they're a player. They just want to play. Taurus, they're going away, moving away, distancing. Gemini, I'm hearing peace of mind. I'm hearing healing energy. Okay? So, Cancer, they're putting healthy boundaries from you, or maybe ikaw yung may kailangan na maglagay ng healthy boundaries from them. So, Leo, nababaitan sa'yo si Leo. Virgo, they want cooperation, collaboration maybe with you. Libra, their back is turned. Some of them, they're choosing their peace of mind over this. Okay? Scorpio, focusing on their career, finances, sarili nila, yan. Okay? It's like healthy boundaries, no? Okay. So, Sagittarius, parang low-key, na hindi ka ginugusto. Oo, parang hindi sila nagpapalata na gusto ka, pero gusto ka ni Sag. Capricorn, they're holding back. They're guarded, grounded. Aquarius, they're not available. Their back is turned. Maybe they're focusing on their healing. Si Aqua. Pisces, no second chances or third, fourth, fifth. I'm hearing a failed start or a false start with the Pisces. Okay, pero sabihin nating may nawala kasi dito. Okay, not emotion. Okay, could be sabihin nating attraction. Okay, attraction ang bumaba with this Pisces. Again, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, collectives. Again, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Pakihanap na lang po. So again, thank you. Goodbye.